Today I have Jason with me. He has a driving test just after 1 hour. So I'm going to take his mock test. In this mock test, I'm going to check about his driving and I'm going to teach everything about 3-point turn, reverse parallel parking, U-turn. So, so Jason, do you have bit experience in driving? How many driving lessons you took from someone?
One.
Just one driving lesson you took, and
Shit.
and you used to drive overseas?
No.
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 Okay, how did you learn just in a one lesson driving a car?
I have no your YouTube videos.
Oh, just
Yeah, yeah.
this is something you're
So
doing
it's a
some.
good
Yeah.
sponsorship for your YouTube videos.
Thank you so much. Oh, you
Yeah.
just took a one lesson,
Yeah.
and you haven't practiced with
No.
your friends, your family member.
I did like maybe 3-4 years ago.
Or 3 years ago,
Yeah.
you used to practice with your friends,
Yeah.
and after that, you were just watching the YouTube videos.
Yeah.
You're learning about the road rules and
Yeah.
everything. Oh, that is really good.
Let's hope for the best.
Yeah, should be best. Yeah. So let's start. As you see in our YouTube video, you know about driving test, how it's going to be. So let's start with pre-driving safety check.
Yeah.
So left indicator, please. Right indicator, please. Indicator off, please. Headlight on, please. High beam, please.
Is that correct?
Yeah, keep your headlight on,
Oh.
and just this blue sign is high beam. Okay.
No worries.
Yeah, high beam on.
Yep. On. Yep.
High
there
beam
you
off.
go. Yep.
Washroom wiper.
Inwards.
Show me front mister.
This
Back
one.
the mister.
Where's the back?
This
This
is the
one.
back the mister. Show me hazard light. Show me handbrake.
That one.
Brake.
My foot.
Horn.
Right here.
Very good, well done. So these things they're going to ask you in the pre-driving safety check, and if you don't understand anything, you can ask to the examiner again. Suppose when they're giving you direction, turn left and right, and if you don't understand, you can say to them, can you repeat again, please? So they will repeat for you. You can ask as many time you need whenever you don't understand, especially if they say to you turn left and by mistake if you go right, that is fine. Okay, make sure don't try to suddenly change your mind and left to right. If by mistake, if you don't understand and you go right, that is fine.
Yeah.
Because it's a driving test, it's not a navigation test.
Yeah.
And in the driving test, its mistakes are allowed as well. Two big mistakes like critical errors are allowed, and 10 to 15 could be small mistakes.
No worries.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to add more value, more tips and tricks to pass your driving test in a first go. So let's start now.
Yep.
Turn left here, please.
No worries. The handbrake. The
Yeah,
light is off. means
this,
it's
this,
off.
this is hybrid car, so handbrake will be automatically on and off. But you must need to know, they're going to ask you where is handbrake. So this is
Oh yeah,
handbrake.
yeah, yeah. Alright, I'll wait for this guy. Yeah.
Just wait, because they're doing 90-degree parking.
Yep, no worries.
Make sure in the parking area, never do rush anything.
Yeah.
Always just keep it bit patience and do it bit slowly.
Yep. Alright.
So the parking area speed limit is 10 km/h.
No worries. I'll just wait for this lady to get off the middle of the street.
Yeah. And always when you're driving in the parking area, keep your car left hand side, Jason.
Okay.
Always keep your car left hand side, because left hand side is your side. Right hand side, those people they will be coming. You need to give way to them.
Yep.
So turn left here.
Yep.
This intersection is very tight. You need to be very careful.
Yep. No
If
worries.
someone is giving you give way, then go. Otherwise, just keep waiting here.
Yep.
Don't rush anything, because they're not going to give us any prize anything.
Yep.
Always because we need to pass our driving test. For passing a driving test in a parking area, keep your car very slow. Have a very good observation skill, and then move slowly. Take next left again, please.
Yep.
Next traffic light, turn right from left line, please.
From the left line.
Turn right from left line, please.
Okay.
So sometimes they use like this. They say to you, turn right from left line, turn right from right line. If they say to you, turn right from left line, so this is the left line because two lines are going right.
Yep. Should I go quicker than this?
Quicker, go a little bit quicker because when you are turning very slow, so you need to maintain your speed as well.
No worries.
And the speed limit is 80 here. Start to increase your speed limit slowly, step by step. No need to do it just suddenly. You need to go to 80. So next traffic light, you're going to turn left.
Yep.
Go from the dotted line, please. Okay, so always when you turn
Always
left,
left.
and if there is a left line, you need to go from that left line.
Yep. No
Turn
worries.
left.
Can I go now?
Yeah, you can go now because light is green.
Yep.
And there is a safe gap. So once you feel safe gap, you can go. If you don't feel safe, just keep waiting. So
No
next straight,
worries.
we're going to turn left.
Yep. Speed limit here is 50.
Left.
Oh,
You missed left. No
my
problem.
bad.
In
I
the
didn't see
driving test, as I said in the starting, if you miss something, no problem.
Yep.
Take it next right.
Yep. No worries. Just here?
Just here.
Okay.
Very good, well done. Because we are on the main road, so we will go first.
Yep.
Take a next right. Right was here, you missed it. That's
Sorry.
fine. Keep going straight.
I thought there was a residence.
Yeah, no.
Can I take a right here?
No, keep going straight now.
No worries. Sorry, I've missed 2 turnings already.
Yeah, no problem. Make sure as in the driving, always just think about the big picture. Means look as far you can see.
Mhm.
Because if you're going to see look as far you can see, it will be easier for you to drive
Mhm.
because you already going to prepare the situation and you're going to drive accordingly.
Yep.
Always follow the formula whenever you're driving. Look, assess, drive. Look means look as far you can see and then assess the road and then driving accordingly.
Yep.
Because lots of students I seen, they just keep their attention just close to the car,
Okay.
and once they any bending, any turning close to the car, they go close, they feel very hard time because they don't see the big picture of the road. Because if you're going to see the big picture, then you're going to assess the road and it will be very easy for you.
So when I do turns like this, I slow down and then
Yeah.
I accelerate out of the curve,
Accelerator,
right?
yes. Slow down and give little bit accelerator, so you
When I'm past the
because
curve.
you controlling your car and you maintaining your speed.
Yep.
But if we're going to just give only accelerator, so we're not able to maintain, we're not able to control our car. So we need to control and we need to maintain.
Yep.
So now we're going to do reverse parallel parking behind
No
this
worries.
blue car, please.
Okay.
Give your left indicator 3 seconds before and stop your car mirror to mirror. Keep your car little bit right hand side.
Yep.
Just 1 meter away from the car. 1 meter.
Oh, 1 meter.
1 meter.
No. Wait. Sorry.
And do you know how to do it?
I think so.
Yeah.
Alright.
And turn your wheel half left only.
Yep.
Half left. Yep. And just when you reverse, check man. Very good.
And behind it have a camera like this.
Yeah, you can use the camera for reverse parallel parking. I'll tell you very easy technique. When you're about to touch that red line,
Oh.
that red line to curve,
Yep.
then stop your car.
Yep. No
Now
worries.
change your reverse, keep reverse, and turn your wheel full right till lock. Keep going back slowly. We don't need to rush anything. Keep going back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Once your car becomes straight, then you need to stop your car. Or when you feel you just touch or you about to touch, just stop your car and make your wheel straight and just move forward and keep it a little distance, like a 2-3 meter distance from the next car, and just stop your car. Okay, that's how you need to reverse parallel parking.
Yep. No worries.
Make sure you did two mistakes in the reverse parallel parking. First, you need to understand you just need to stop your car just 1 meter away from the car.
Yep.
1 meter, half meter, or 2 meter, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, no need to worry. And when you reverse, don't forget to check rear shoulder check.
Ah.
How you
Okay.
going to do rear shoulder check? Like that. Always before reversing, always do rear shoulder check and then reverse.
Yep.
Okay, so this is very good parking. So now keep going straight, please.
Just gonna make some distance. High.
Right shoulder check. Make sure do right
Right
shoulder
shoulder
check.
check. Okay.
Always, whenever you're leaving your parking,
Right shoulder
always
check.
you must need to do a right shoulder check. If you're not going to check your mirror and you're not going to do right shoulder check, that is going to be critical error. So critical error means major mistake.
Yep.
We're going to turn left here, please. And do a 3-point turn, please, using the driveway.
No worries. Which driveway?
Any
That one?
driveway. You need to choose the driveway. They're only going to say to you, indicate. Look at this driveway.
Yep.
You miss it, now make a U-turn here.
How do you
This is a U-turn. Give right indicator, make sure in the U-turn, and just turn your car.
Yep. For U-point, for U-turn,
Yep.
there's obviously not enough space for me to turn until
Yeah,
unless I
if
hit the
we-
curb.
if-
So this
yeah.
is fine, right?
This is fine. If you don't have a space, you can do same like a 3-point turn. If they say to you anything, if it's not feel safe, you can do anything. You can do according to the situation, according to the condition. Take a next left. Some student they think, oh, he said they said it to me, do a U-turn, take a next left, so I need to do it one go. And when they try to do in a one go, sometime they mount a curve,
Yeah.
they cross a curve, and they fail their driving test.
Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah. Take a next left. Anything they're going to say to you, you need to do it safely.
Yeah.
If you're not able to do it safely, that is fine.
Mm.
We're going to take next left again, please. Take a next right again, please.
Yes, turning that I missed.
Make sure this is a little bit early turning.
Yep.
If you turn right, you need to go completely. You need to come to left hand side.
Sorry.
If you crossing the right line, or then you going to left side, that is very do a 3-point turn using the driveway, please.
No worries. I missed that driveway.
Yeah, next one. Yeah, wherever you feel safe.
Yeah.
For a driveway and 3-point turn, give your right indicator and go directly to the driveway.
Sorry, the driveway.
Directly to driveway, yes. Make sure don't enter to the private property. Only you can just use public property. And do it very slowly. Use a little brake as well, because sometimes when you reverse, there is a little bit of hill, and sometimes your car will go very fast back. So use a little brake.
No worries.
So this is very good 3-point turn.
Yep.
So we're going to do one more time reverse parallel parking.
Yep.
Take a next right again, please.
van over there?
Don't do it behind this van. We're going to do it behind next Ford car.
Yep, sounds good.
Do a reverse parallel parking behind this Ford car, please.
Okay.
Give your indicator from here, left indicator, so the backside traffic they will understand you want to do reverse parallel parking.
Yep. So we've got 1 meter.
Stop your car mirror to mirror.
Yep.
Yep, very good.
Half. Reverse.
When you reverse check
Right.
back,
Right. Right. Slowly.
and just follow the steps, which one I tell you.
So
When you touch this curve,
like this.
this is the gutter line. When
So
you,
this point here. Or
this
look
point
here?
here, this point. Here.
No.
No, this point. When you touch this point,
Ah.
now it's fine.
Full turn right. Right.
Very good, well done. Once you finish, park your car in parking.
And then just click.
Handbrake
Go
will
up.
be automatically on and off.
Ah.
Okay. So keep going straight, please, when you feel safe.
No worries. Is that a fail, by the way, if I leave the handbrake on and then
No, because normally if you're going to keep it your handbrake on, or they're going to give you a chance.
Yeah.
If you're going to keep it for a right shoulder check, make sure when you're leaving your parking, right shoulder check.
no worries.
Okay, so you did one minor mistake.
Yeah.
Keep going straight, please.
I want to do it again.
Sorry, you want to keep going straight?
Yeah. Just gonna park.
Okay.
That.
Yeah, this time is very good. Well done.
No worries.
So you comfortable with the 3-point turn?
Yeah, kind of.
Comfortable with reverse parallel parking?
Yeah.
Now we're going to do full level.
No
So
worries.
this 3 maneuver you must need to know about like a 3-point turn, reverse parallel parking and full level.
Yep.
You should be very comfortable in these 3 things. If you feel very comfortable, the driving test will be very easy for you. So do it full lever, please, wherever you feel safe. Very good, well done. So full lever is very good. Now keep going straight, please, when you feel safe.
What, do you think I have enough distance to go keep going straight from here?
Yeah, you have enough distance.
Yeah, let's try that.
Right indicator, make sure. So that is your first 10 minutes. They're going to do these things like a 3-point turn, reverse parallel parking, full lever. Now we're moving to stage 2.
Okay.
Yes,
That's something right.
you will go first because you are on the main road.
Sorry.
Okay, so because you have a priority to, because they are turning.
Yep.
So those people they are
Going
turning. Yeah, keep going straight from the main road. You going straight, so you should go first. How's it going? Everything is good?
Yeah, that's good. I started work.
You started work?
Yeah. Do I keep my back like straight? Like,
Yeah, I'm okay, no problem.
No problem?
Whatever
Alright.
you feel comfortable. He's not going to check your back, how
Oh
you
yeah, no,
do-
just in like just general driving. So
General
not
driving.
tests.
Yeah, keep it
related.
a little bit back. So because you're not going to feel tired.
Yeah.
Because if you're going to move a little bit forward, you're going to feel tired very soon. So because if you're going to sit a little bit backside, so you're going to feel a bit relaxed and you can drive for a long time.
Yeah.
So keep going straight.
Alright.
Next left.
Alright, where to from here?
Keep going straight. If they don't give you any instruction, they don't give you any instruction, anything, make sure keep going straight.
Yep.
So keep going straight from traffic light.
Yep. Gotta go this way.
This left line, use left because left line is going straight.
Yep.
Because there is a two line, one line is only going right.
Yep.
And the left line is going straight and left.
Yep.
What time is the driving test?
12 o'clock?
12 o'clock. Very good. We have plenty of time.
How many different routes do they have? 5?
Take it next right again, please. Look here. Here like 5-6 routes, but we turn right. Go from this dotted line.
Yeah, I don't have to shoulder check here because there's no lane, right?
No line, yes.
No worries.
But in this smoke test, I will cover all these 5-6 roads.
Yep.
Because I am going to mix up all the difficult areas
Good,
where
good,
the
good.
most of the students they fail their driving test.
Very good, very good.
So you will not have any problem.
Easy.
So we're going to take next right again, please.
Shoulder check here or no?
No, no, sure, because no one can overtake us.
Mm.
It's just a one line.
It's a nice car.
Yeah, just follow this road.
Yep. I know.
Yeah.
I saw your video right before I came.
Okay. This is very good car. This is hybrid car, 2021 model. And this is very quiet car, and this car is really good for the driving test. So you're going to feel a bit more easy. Easily you can see the speedometer.
Yeah. I was about to say the reverse camera is a
The
nice,
reverse camera you can use.
a
It
nice
has
little,
front sensor, back sensor. So
Where to?
we're going to turn left again, please. Look, if they say to you turn right from here, you can turn right as well. Okay.
Yep, that's fine.
Some student they're not sure they can turn right or not,
Yeah.
so you can turn right. So next traffic light, we're going to turn right, please.
No worries. Can I take your right lane?
Indicator, yes, you can change it. Because there is a no solid line, no line, anything. So after that becoming a two line, so we can use. So turn right. So this is called give way traffic light. Do you know about give way traffic light?
Think so. One car at a time,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then
No, 2-3 cars can.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can
So I
go.
can go?
You
Alright,
can go.
no
You
worries.
can just wait in the middle.
Yep.
So in the give way traffic light, if there is a space in the intersection, you can enter in the intersection. If there is a no space in the intersection, then you need to stop your car behind the line.
Yep.
And make sure don't follow the car. Maybe safe for him, not safe for you.
Yep.
Some students they start to follow the next car.
Yep, I'm gonna go now.
Yeah, now it's safe, so you can go. So give way traffic light. Even when you feel safe, you can go. If you don't find a safe gap while you waiting in the middle of the intersection, when lights start to change to red, then you can go.
Yep.
Because those people they coming, they're going to stop on the red light.
Straight.
Yeah, with next traffic light, we're going to turn left, please. Next traffic light, turn left. into left line.
There's no one here.
Move to right line, please, when you feel safe.
Yep. Thank you.
Next roundabout, turn right into right line.
Yep.
So like this is a little bit big and busier roundabout.
Yeah.
Always you need to plan ahead. You need to see the big picture of the roundabout.
Yep.
Look, you can go because the car is going straight. So if
Yeah.
the car is going straight, so you can go.
Yep. And I tell by looking at your indicator.
Indicator, yes. And right into right line. So directly you need to go to finish into right line.
Yep. When in a roundabout, I can't slow down, right? So, because you know how for turns, you go
Yep.
into a curve, sometimes you slow down and then you accelerate out of the curve.
You can slow down.
So I can slow down?
Slow down, yes.
Yeah. But
Take it
do I
next
press
right.
the brake?
You can use brake, yes.
Okay.
You can slow down.
Okay, that's good. What's your gut feel? Do you reckon I'll pass so far?
Yeah, till now you're doing very good. Well done.
So it's pass?
You can pass, yes.
Alright, give percentage, 80%, 70%.
Yes, you can find 99%.
Ah, sick, alright.
Next roundabout, do a U-turn, please.
Yep.
Oh, U-turn was there, you took a right.
Sorry.
So do a 3-point turn. So
No
we got a
worries.
good chance to do a 3-point turn.
Yep. I'm just gonna go into the driveway. Do I do a left indicator here?
No need to give. When you're reversing like a 3-point turn or reverse 3-point turn you're doing, you don't need to give indicator.
No.
Take a next left again, please.
You need to do another 3-point?
No, we don't need to do another 3-point turn. Keep going straight because we need to do more practice for on busier roads, line changing, and take it next right.
Yep.
So here
Can
is
I
a
go into the island?
No, first here is a stop sign. Stop. What is in the stop sign mean?
Stop.
Completely stop. Stop for 3 seconds.
Yep.
Okay. Even there is a safe or no safe gap or no one is ahead of you, you need to stop.
Okay.
And then you need to move. Now you can move and keep your car right hand side. So if the half side is clear, you can stop in this island.
Yep.
Okay. You can stop in this island and you can wait for the safe gap. Make sure turn fast as well when you turning like this because the car is coming on the 60 speed,
Yeah.
so they will not slow down for you.
Yeah.
You need to speed up,
Sure.
or if they're going to press brake or they will slow down, they're going to that means you will be in the trouble.
Yeah.
That means you haven't selected the safe gap.
Yeah.
For selecting a safe gap, first of all use a proper safe gap. If in case you choose a little bit short gap, try to move a little bit more quicker so you will able to maintain that gap. Some students they think I already turned so they will slow down. No, they're not going to slow down for you. Move to right line please when you feel safe.
Sky way.
Yeah, it's a safe gap. The person is giving you give way. Take the next right. Turn right into right line.
No worries. revisiting the roundabout, the
Yep.
way that I can tell where they're
Oh, right,
going.
you missed again, right. No, this is straight.
Okay. Okay.
First exit is left, second exit is straight, third
Okay.
exit is right, fourth exit is U-turn.
Can you say it with the first, second, third
No,
exit?
they're not going to say it
You're not
like
gonna
this.
say that?
Yep. Do a U-turn into right line, please.
Yep. So I can't ask the instructor to say, hey, can you use the exit
No.
term?
Yeah, they're not going to, they're only going to say to U-turn right or left.
Accidentally just touch the curb. Is that a fail? Or did I not touch the curb?
Touch it. That is fine because if we haven't touched the curb anything, maybe it's a little bit. Move to left line, please, when you feel safe.
Yeah.
Take it next left. Very good, well done. Move to right line, please, when you feel safe.
Yep.
For line changing, you're feeling a little bit of hesitation, so I will tell you how to do line changing. Line changing, you give your indicator, that is really good. The second thing, then you're not able to judge the gap. So how you judge the gap? If you see a empty space and you see a full car, that means safe gap.
Yep.
If you see a empty space and full car, that means safe gap.
So empty space,
And
like a full car in between me and the next
take
car.
a next right, like front of the car there is a space. Right.
Oh,
No, the next traffic light, turn right, please.
okay, I thought you meant yeah.
So,
So you
our-
said one space in between.
yeah, 1 or 2, just of 1 or 2 meter away from the next car, and you need to see the next car tire. So line changing, I was saying, if you see a full car and if there is a space front of the car, that means safe gap. When you're moving and if you give if the gap is decreasing, that means the car is coming closer to you. When you see in the mirror, the gap is reducing. That means that it's not a safe gap because that person is driving more than you. Maybe he speed up, you want to go fast, so that time don't change a line. And the third thing for a line changing, if you see when you checking, the gap is same. If the gap is not increasing, not decreasing, and still there is a car with empty space, so better to do it. And if you see the gap is increasing, with that person will start to slow down and the gap is becoming bigger, that means it's a safe gap.
Yep, no worries.
Move to right line, please, when you feel safe. So these 3 things you need to check, and based on these 3 things you need to make your own decisions.
Alright, let's see if this guy gives me space. Yep, yes.
Take it next right into right line.
Right line.
Right line, yes. Turn right into right line.
Second exit.
Turn right into right. So this is right, okay?
Yep, I got it.
This is third exit, not second.
Third. Oh, okay, but there was no left.
Okay, the first one is left.
Yeah.
The second one is straight, and the third one is right.
Yeah. But if there's no left, it's the don't worry.
Because there was no there was left as well.
Oh, okay.
There was left, first left,
Okay.
and there was go straight as well, and there was right. So
Okay.
third one. Sometime yes, there is no left. That means will be second.
Okay.
Move to left line, please, when you feel safe.
Actually,
Give your indicator for a line changing. Whenever they say to you, give your indicator straight away.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how after giving indicator and then wait for the safe gap, because The reason behind the giving the indicator, because some people they will start to slow down for you, some people they will overspeed, and you automatically you will get a safe gap.
Yep.
Sometime there will be safe gap will be available, but sometime you need to make the safe gap.
Yep.
For making a safe gap, you need to tell to the other road users, I want to move to right line. When they're going to see your indicator, sometime they start to slow down or sometime they overspeed, so you automatically get a safe gap. But it's not their responsibility to give you the giveaway. It's your responsibility to choose the safe gap. They might slow down, they will not, so it's depend on them, it's their choice. But there is a high opportunity to get a safe gap. Most of the same people, when I did so many times, when we give indicator, sometimes people they slow down or some people they will overspeed, so it's become safe. And when you feel 100% safe, and do shoulder check and then do it. And as you line changing, if don't slow down your speed,
Okay.
do it on the same speed, even do it on little bit extra speed if possible. Like if you're driving on like a 60 speed and the speed limit is you're driving on 52 53, okay, so if you're going to increase to 55 56 or 57, then you're going to maintain that gap. If you're going to slow down and you're going to change a line, then that gap will be decreased and the gap will be finished. So you need to be very extra careful. Make sure don't slow down when you changing a line. Move to right line please when you feel safe. No need to don't slow down. Remember I
Yeah,
teach
I
you.
didn't slow down.
You don't
Did
slow
I
down.
slow down? Oh.
Yes, slow down. This is speed
Sorry.
limit is 80. This slow down.
I didn't press the brake.
You didn't press the brake,
Yeah,
but
but I
you didn't
slowed
give
down.
accelerator as well.
Yeah, my bad.
Because
my
you
bad.
release your accelerator.
Yeah.
If you're releasing your accelerator, your speed automatically drop down.
Can I try it again?
Move to left line please when you feel safe. Very good, well done.
Sick.
Very good, well done my dear friend Jason. That is very good line changing. That's how you need to do line changing. You need to give your indicator and don't decrease your speed limit. If you see a safe gap, then do it. If you don't find a safe gap, then don't do it.
Alright, don't slow down.
Move to right line please when you feel safe.
Oh, sorry.
If in case you think you slowing down, you're releasing your accelerator, then you realize very quick and give quick accelerator again.
Yep.
So
Okay.
it can happen because it's our habit
Yeah.
to just release the accelerator when we line changing.
Yep.
But if you have a habit of releasing the accelerator, then give quick accelerator and maintain very quick.
Yep. Got it.
And as I said, see a big picture of the road. And now we're going to do U-turn please. U-turn in this braking please.
You turn same line?
Right,
Same lane.
right indicator, right indicator.
This lane or that lane in the front? Because this lane or that lane in the front? This lane?
Right, this line, yes. If they don't say to you anything, you can choose any line.
No, because there was a
Yes, a side line.
Okay.
Yeah, because I said to you make a U-turn.
so that's not a U-turn.
That's not a U-turn. If they
Okay.
say to you, right into slip line, please.
Yep. Okay, slip line.
That is slip line.
I see. Okay.
So move to right line, please, when you feel safe.
Can I keep going?
Go. Better to go this time
Yeah.
because we don't have a time to stop. If
Yeah.
you don't have a time to stop, don't stop your car. If you have a time to stop, then stop your car.
Yeah. Got it. How many critical failures? How many critical errors have I made so far?
Taking next right. You did very good. Only thing you just need to be very extra careful, especially line changing.
Yeah.
Line changing. Don't slow down because now I'm helping you as well.
Yep.
Okay, but in the test, no one is going to help you.
Yeah.
They just only give you give you direction, turn left, turn right, and if you don't understand anything, you can ask again. They're not going to help you with anything.
Yeah.
So you know about line changing. Make sure line changing. Give your indicator straight away when they say to you line changing, and after that just wait for the safe gap. Don't rush anything. I tell you the three things for a line changing. What you need to check when you see a full car with empty space, and then you need to check the car speed. If the gap is decreasing, then don't do it. That means that person start to speed up and he's not giving you giveaway. If the gap is increasing, better to do it. Means that person start to slow down for you.
Mm.
And if the gap is same when you line changing, then it's good to change as well.
Yeah. So, just to reiterate, indicate first. Look if the gap is increasing.
Don't decrease speed.
Yeah, don't decrease speed. And then if the gap is increasing, that's a green light. If the gap is the same, also green light. If the gap is closing, don't go.
Yep. Then yeah, very good. Now we're going to back to Vic Road and we will go for our driving test.
No worries.
Do you have a learner permit or you have overseas license?
Overseas.
Okay, next right. Okay, if you have overseas, did you bring your passport?
Yes. Oh, shit, I did the same mistake.
Yeah. Keep in your side. Take a next right. Turn right.
Where should I go?
Keep going straight.
Yeah.
And just park here in right hand side.
Yeah?
Or just park left here. Take left here. Good.
Alright, where should I park?
And just park your car anywhere wherever you feel safe.
Yeah. Full turn? Wait, no,
Put
half?
line to this side mirror.
What reference point do I use?
The reference point is this side mirror to white line. You need to align
Which
your
point?
align your side mirror. This is called side mirror.
Yeah, but which point? on the
White
side
line.
mirror?
White line.
This point?
This
The white
point.
line?
Yeah, this point. Yes.
This point.
This
Okay.
point. Yeah.
And then full turn or half?
Did you align your white line to side mirror? I think you are a little bit back.
Yeah.
You need to align your white line to side mirror. No, little bit forward. This white line I'm talking about. This straight. I think you don't understand. I will tell you. No problem. Go a little bit forward. You release your brake, please. Release your brake. So now it's okay. That white line to side mirror. Do you understand now?
Which white line, first of all? So that's
There is a two line. There is a box. In the
Yes.
box there is a line.
Yeah.
Which one tell you we need to keep it in our line. So that line I'm talking about.
So okay, let's say the box is like this, right?
Yeah. So this line to side mirror. Yes.
Which line? There's three lines.
Which this line. So straight line.
Okay.
Straight line. Okay.
But from my point of view,
Yep. Do it now. We will tell you as well.
alright. How many turn? Full turn?
Full turn. Yeah. Full turn. Very good.
Yeah. So the thing that's hard to see in your videos is
Now do a little bit left. That's it. And keep going forward.
trying to see the reference point because it's hard to see from the camera angle.
Yeah.
So
Park your car in parking. And see finish. So I'm talking about this white line.
oh, that's okay. So if let's say the car is here,
Yep.
and the white line is here, so I
You need to
at
in
this point here,
this point here.
not here, here,
Here. Yep.
to
Right
this
line.
corner.
This corner. Yes.
Okay, good. Can we
Okay.
try it again?
No, we have test 55 now. We already finished. So thank you so much watching my video. Do you have any question, any doubt, anything?
No.
Okay. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I'm going to add more value, more tips and tricks to pass your driving test. Thank you so much, and we'll see you with next video. Bye for now. Okay.